Let's see what we can get our eyes on today. Dr. Martens at a tenner. Wow, bargains galore. Ooh. Murrah, Murrah in my hand. Who's the fairest in the land? Oh, £10 for this and Great Nick. Feather-like prices. You can't beat these bargains. I think this could be the best charity shop yet. So let's check out some of the bargains we got in the charity shop. Got this wonderful posture corrector. As you can see, the lovely lady there is wearing it, modelling it just for us. This was £2 and basically it does work. So it's a posture corrector that you put on that makes you stand up more straight. It's a little uncomfortable in that it felt like I was back at school and wearing a school bag. But yeah, £2. Probably will never wear it again, if I'm completely honest. But I had seen it advertised on the TV and things like that. So for £2, it was worth a try. And if anybody wants it, you can have it. Got this lovely vase that I've put some dried flowers into. It's quite a sturdy one, and I would be renowned for having buttery fingers when it comes to holding things that can break. But at £4, I thought this was quite original. I hadn't seen one like this before, and I'll give it a little bit of a wash and it'll look gorgeous with some flowers in it. I'm sure you agree. Got this lovely jumper. It's probably not suitable for wearing right now, but when you're shopping in charity shops, it would be a top tip to say buy for the other season. So buy for winter and summer, because that's when you'll get your best bargains. This was £15, original Tommy Hilfiger. We love a designer. And this would normally be hundreds of pounds. So for £15, it's in great condition. Stuck it through the wash machine and now it smells absolutely amazing. So I look forward to wearing that winter next year. Or I could give it away because it is actually a man's large, but I like oversized, so it's being kept. The charity shops that we visit today were all based in the Chilterns, which are in Buckinghamshire, so it's a great place to find a bargain. But if you know of any great charity shops in your area, please let us know about them in the comments section, as we'd love to visit them. See you next time. Bye.